we are not designing anything. We are translating intent into structure. This is the wireframing stage. Wireframes are not about colors, fonts, or beauty. They are about hierarchy, clarity, and flow. Right now, the canvas is empty. This is intentional. Every professional system starts with a blank structure, not decoration. Instead of manually placing boxes, leading architects describe what the system is and let AI generate the structure. We are building a simple marketing website, not a platform. The goal is to keep complexity low and focus on clarity. The prompt defines 4 core pages: home, about, programs, and contact. Each page has a single purpose. Notice the language in the prompt. It emphasizes simplicity, hierarchy, and one primary goal per page. This reduces noise and prevents clutter. Once the intent is clear, we generate the wireframes. At this stage, the AI is not guessing. It is translating structure from context. Let's look at the home page. At the top, we have the Hero section. Notice the large left space reserved for an image. This draws the eye naturally, while the bold text on the right clearly communicates the value proposition. Hierarchy is key. The primary call to action should always stand out. Secondary elements support, not compete. Scrolling down, we see supporting sections for features and programs. Each section follows a predictable pattern: title, content block, visual. This ensures clarity without distraction. Now the About page. Its purpose is singular: communicate the mission. Notice how the structure is simple: one headline, one body section, optional visual. The AI organizes content without adding unnecessary decoration. Programs page next. The goal here is clarity over quantity. Each learning phase is represented as a distinct block. Hierarchy communicates progression. The student should immediately understand the sequence. Finally, contact page. This page's purpose is singular: inquiry submission. Minimal sections, one form, clear labels. Simplicity ensures focus on the action. Notice a pattern: every page emphasizes one primary purpose, supported by secondary information. This is the core principle of architect-level wireframing. At this stage, we do not choose colors, fonts, or images. The AI placeholders suffice to show function and flow. The second AI generation has completed. Notice the difference. Additional pages appear, such as services, blog, and blog post. This is the power of refinement. The AI adapts to new instructions. Here's the lesson for every beginner: AI does not always make perfect decisions. It follows instructions literally. As an architect, your role is to evaluate and approve the structure. Ask yourself for each page: black, does it serve the primary purpose of the website? Black, does it communicate a clear action or value? Black, is it necessary at this stage? Pages like blog and blog post, while useful in a real website, are not part of our core goal right now. They distract from the primary flow. In wireframing, unnecessary elements are deleted or ignored. Clarity over completeness. Notice the home page hero, still dominant. The structure did not break. Even with extra AI output, the primary path remains obvious. This demonstrates one key principle: structure is resilient. Zooming out at the end lets us see the system as a whole. The student should see hierarchy across all pages: primary actions, supporting content, optional extras.